Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is Khadirah Muhammad, your systems implementation engineer, teaching you all things about tech, systems, and automation so that way you can automate your way to freedom. In this video, we're going to be having another Zapier explained episode. And before we go ahead and get started, please give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And go ahead and share it out because people are definitely going to want to know how to perform this Zap right here. This Zap we're going to be creating today, it's going to be how you're going to be able to send emails every time you get a new submission in Google Forms. Okay, so let's say you're sending out forms, maybe it's surveys, maybe it's an onboarding form, and you're getting a new client, and now you want to be notified whenever you get a submission, right? Because at present, Google Forms won't tell you whenever you get a new form submission. You kind of just have to check manually, which can be a headache. You got so many other things going on. Why not just utilize Zapier and be able to automatically send yourself an email every single time you get a new Google Form submission? Well, today we're going to be teaching you how to actually do that. So let's go ahead and head to my computer and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Hello everybody and welcome back to the episode. So now we're in my computer and I'm going to show you how you can create a Zap where you can get new responses via email every time you get a submission in Google Forms. So what's really cool is that you can send these emails via Zapier's kind of internal app. You're going to use what's called Email by Zapier. So let's go ahead and get started putting this together. So first thing you got to do, you got to connect to your Google Forms account. This means you have to sign into one of your Gmail accounts that you have. It can be a regular Gmail and it can be a business one. So either one will work. You want to click next. Then you want to choose what other form that you have. Now you're going to need to already have a form that already is receiving submissions. So that's really important. In this case, I'm going to choose a Google My Business listing for when I used to do Google My Business work for clients. Now Zapier is getting that data, so we have something to be able to get triggers from. Now this is super important. We got to select the fields we want to edit inside of Email by Zapier. So Email by Zapier, you're going to need a to account, you're going to need a subject, you're going to need a body. Now you can add a from name, you can add a reply to, which I do recommend. Right, so if people are replying back to the email, if you want to reply back to the email, you can do that via reply to. This is especially important if maybe you're sending this out to your team and you want to make sure they have the ability to reply back to you. Sorry about that. Somebody on their motorcycle. If you want to be able to add an attachment, you can do that. If you want to have a from name, you can do that too. If you want people to be CC'd, you can do that, or BCC'd, you can do that. And if you want to have email receipts, you can do that. Read receipts, that's pretty cool. And you can make sure you have line breaks in the emails. So you do all that. So now we're going to click next, and we're going to build out our email, and we're going to use some of the fields from the Google Forms that Zapier was able to create for us. So the to is, who do you want to receive this email? You may want to type this in. So I'm going to type in my email. Okay. Now the subject, I'm going to say new GMB submission, and I'm actually going to make it so we can see who that person is, and I'm going to have the respondent's email. Okay, what that means is it's going to Zapier is going to automatically plug in whoever submitted the form. We're going to be able to put in their email, and I'll show you an example. In the body, this is where you can have a mixture of variables and map fields and just other stuff that you want. So I'm just, right now, I'm going to put name, email, address, and this is the business's address. So who's the name of the person who filled out this submission? We're going to put in their email, and we're going to put in the business address. Okay. If you had any attachments, right? So these are like pictures or something like that. You could put that in here if people had to upload something. So in this case, somebody did. They upload a logo whenever they fill out this form, so I can have that automatically be attached to this email. Now these are the people the from name is the name you want people to see that it's from. So in this case, I'm actually just going to put Consulting, which is the name of our parent company. Reply to, if somebody who receives this email replies to it, who are they going to be replying to? In this case, I'm going to just put Consulting. Forced line breaks, I'm going to put true because I do want my emails to have line breaks. It's just easier to read. And I'm going to put true for read receipts. So this means you'll be notified if somebody opens the email. Now let's test this out. So we're going to send it to me. And we're going to send a test. And then I'm going to, if this worked, as it said, test item sent, check your email by Zapier account to view. So I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to open up that account so you guys can see. All right, so I had to do a couple things because I saw there was a little bit of a mistake. But as you can see here, we have a new GMB submission for a business that submitted their form via Google Forms. So now our Zap is working. And as always, when you have your Zap that's working, you want to rename it to whatever you need to in your Zapier, and you just want to publish the Zap. And that is how you're able to send new emails to yourself using Email by Zapier from your Google Form submissions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope being able to automatically send emails from Google Forms about a new Google Form submission is going to be able to help you out and save you a ton of time, and also allow that nothing gets lost in the cracks or anything like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please again give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel and share it out. And if you realize that you actually want this Zap for yourself and you want to be able to use it in your business, well, I have a very special thing for you today. What you can do is click the first link in the description, and I will send you the link to the Zap template that I just showed you. I also will send you a step-by-step video tutorial showing you how to actually create this Zap for yourself. And I will send you a written standard operating procedure that you'll be able to give to any of your tech people on your team, and they'll be able to use it and figure out how to put this Zap together for your use case. Again, just click the first link in the description. I'll be able to send that to you immediately. And last but not least, if you have any requests about different Zapier Zaps that you have in mind, or you have any questions on how to use Zapier, just give this video a comment and let me know in the comments below, and I am more than happy to be able to create a video just showing you how to put that together for you. So again, if you have any Zapier requests, go ahead and put them in the below the description, in the comments below this video. And again, give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I thank you all so much for making this series of what it is. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks.